Hi, it's Lisa, and today I'm going to give you the Cole Chevy tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about gas prices and how they're going up and up. We're on average to be $4 a gallon just in a few months. Did you know that there's a great time to fill up your gas? No, not when it's on empty. On Mondays is a really good time. It's actually the cheapest. Keep in mind, if you fill up on the weekends, you're going to pay a higher price. It's when everybody travels. When's the best time for your car? Well, the best time is when your car is at a fourth of a tank. By not keeping your fuel at least at a fourth of a tank, this can damage your fuel filter and fuel pump by not going through your engine properly. Thanks for watching Cole Chevy Tips of the Day, and join us next week for more. And don't forget to schedule your next service appointment with me or call us at 304-327-8116.